Hi everyone, this is Gina Chong with Oakwyn Realty. Today I'm at Sky Helicopters in Pitt Meadows, getting ready to board a flight over Port Moody.
A huge thank you to Wesgroup for an exhilarating helicopter tour over Port Moody and the future site of Inlet District. Our adventure begins at Sky Helicopters in Pitt Meadows, where we enjoy drinks, refreshments, and fascinating project information. Despite the wind and rain, nothing can dampen our spirits as we soared above the stunning landscape, taking in breathtaking views from above. This bird's eye perspective truly highlighted the potential and beauty of Inlet District. Inlet District is strategically located in Port Moody, providing easy access to major roadways and public transportation. Just minutes from the Inlet Centre SkyTrain station, this development ensures seamless connectivity to the rest of Metro Vancouver. This convenience, combined with the natural beauty of the surrounding mountains and the inlet, makes Inlet District an ideal place to call home. The project is situated at the corner of Barnet Highway and Ioco Road, transforming a previously single-family home neighborhood into a dense, mixed-use urban community. As the largest development project in Port Moody's history, Inlet District will eventually be home to up to 5,500 new residences. A new pedestrian overpass across Ioco Road will connect the neighborhood to Inlet Centre SkyTrain station. This comprehensive plan ensures that Inlet District is a complete community where residents' daily needs such as childcare, shopping, and recreation are right at their doorsteps. Contact me, Gina Chong, at 604-339-8332 to get on the list for Inlet District. You won't want to miss the opportunity to purchase a home in this exciting new master plan community.